Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to step by step submit an expression of interest for Australia as a couple under the new point based system. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe because I regularly upload videos, and if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you I have opened the main skill select page where the steps have been given. So the very first thing is to click on this link and provide some information. So you should read terms, condition and privacy statement. Click on next. Click on next. Now it asks some information. So let's say there is a couple named John Smith and Elizabeth Smith. Both are born citizens of India, and they have some experience as a software engineer, and they want to immigrate to Australia. So let's say John is filling up this sample, this form. So I just put John Smith, male, date of birth. Let's say this guy was born in 1989, 30 years of age today, November 1st. He holds an Indian passport. Region of country, yes. Any other country, no. And does the client have other current passport? No. Usual country of resident, India. Have a partner, yes. And he is married. Click on next. Check the information. Click on next. Now it asks you to create a password for yourself, so I'm creating. Email address. Identification document type, let's say this is for security, let's say national ID document. I'm going to create a sample PAN card number. Date of issue, so let's say this was issued back in 2011 and this was issued in June 15. Yeah. Click on I'm not a robot. Next. Click on next. Okay, so next is you get an email. The email looks like this. So this is the account ID that we are going to use. Don't worry guys, don't use this because after this video I'm going to withdraw the EOI, so this will be invalidated or automatically. That here and put the password that you created. Login. Let me see what happened. Okay, so there was some issue anyway. Now what the streams you want to apply? So this guy wants to apply 189, 190. He's ready for 491 also. If you have done in the previous system, you know that you used to see 489 here. Now it's replaced by 491. He has like no investment to go under business innovation, so we just selected skilled visas. Now the questions about the partner. Is the client partner of an Australian permanent citizen? No. Would the client be accompanied by a partner in the future application? Yes. Are there any family members? So we're just going to include one because for him and his wife. Partner's date of birth they have asked. So let's say partner qualification. The form was loading. Partner's date of birth. Okay. Let's say John's wife Elizabeth was born in 1988, November 1st. Does the partner hold a valid passport and is a citizen of the following countries? Let's say no. Has she taken a language test within last 36 months? Yes. She has taken IELTS when Let's say she took some time in May 14. Test reference number, listening score 8, all 8. I know it's a very good score, but have a nominated occupation, yes. Let's go for, let's say both of them are software engineers, so I need to scroll down. This is alphabetic. Does she have a suitable skill assessment? Yes. Date of skill assessment. So let's say she got in August 21st. Reference number ACS. Just sample. In which state or territory the client will be interested in seeking nomination? Any. But yes, you need to check with the particular state, because some of them want you to select only their state. So check it, and I mean you need to do a lot of research about this. So first do your research and then select this here. Would the client be prepared to live in a regional area? Yes. Outside Australian capital city? Yes. Click on next. Would the client be sponsored by an eligible relative? So these are the relatives who are eligible. So let's say you don't have any, so click on no. Next. Has the client taken English language test within last 36 months? Let's say yes. He has taken IELTS. Date, let's say test reference number TRF. And he also got 8 in all. Has the client member currently enrolled in any studies at secondary level? Yes, he has done studies. Let's say he has done BTech between 2007 and 2011. Qualification is bachelor's degree in science, business or technology. Course name, I'm writing BTech, but I suggest you write full bachelor's of technology if space permits in IT. Institution name, let's say he has done from Delhi University. That's a sample. Country is India. May 2011 first. Confirm. Australian study requirement, he has never studied in Australia. He has not done credentialed community language qualification. Nominated occupation, he is also software engineer, let's say. So scroll down. Suitable skill assessment, yes. Australian Computer Society, he has done. I just added sample reference numbers, luckily accepted. Okay, next is to provide employment details and professional year. So he has never completed any professional year in Australia, has never been to, so I click on no here straight away. When it comes to employment, it's important to know the details. So what happens when you file your skill assessment, authorities may take a number of years of experience, I mean a certain number of years, to make you reach the suitable skill level. So for example, let's say for this guy he has let's say 8 years of experience. So let's assume that ACS took out 3 years of his experience, after which he became eligible at the skill level. So for the remaining 5 years he is going to get experience. So that is what you have to enter here. Let's say software engineer, employer name, let's say Newtel EIT, country, let's say India, nominated occupation yes. So because this is the current ongoing activity, so I will not enter any indent. Yeah, confirm. Okay, click on next. Now next question is about partner qualification, confirmation of points for skill migration visa 189, 90 and 481. Partner qualification, you can see they ask correct, let's say yes. English language, this is for the main applicant, has the client, you can see. Education, yes. Employment, yes. Next. Have you read? Yes. Provide correct? Yes. If you provide misleading, may be refused. EOI is not a valid visa application. Yes. You need to update your EOI. Has there been any change in circumstances? Yes. Review page. You can check all the details. Correct? Yes. Click on next. So now here I will not proceed further here because next is like submitting it. So I don't want to put a test EOI in the repository, but my intention was to show you. So you can see that under 189 you are able to claim 85 points, under 190 90 points, 491 100 points, and you are not eligible for family sponsored because of the answers that we selected. So that's it. The next is to submit. That I'm not gonna do. If you want to make any edit, you can go and amend details, and even after you submit you have the option to update it. Whenever there's any change you can see the status here. So that's how it works, guys. So I hope you like this video. Make sure you give it a like and comment, and if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. Thank you guys.